Are you tired of battling those relentless sugar cravings? Ready to break free from the grip of sugar addiction and reclaim your health? We've got the ultimate guide to help you kick sugar to the curb and transform your life. Quitting sugar is a challenging journey because sugar is almost everywhere. Instead of aiming to eliminate all sugar, start by reducing processed and added sugars. The most important thing is to ensure you eat enough protein, especially in the morning. A protein-rich breakfast can stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of mid-morning sugar cravings. Healthy fats such as nuts and seeds, avocado, olive oil, and fiber are also crucial. How about an omelette with vegetables? Finding healthy substitutes for sugary snacks can make the transition easier. Fruits, berries, dates, and nut butter are excellent choices. Greek yogurt with berries is a delicious and satisfying alternative. Add a dollop of peanut butter for an extra protein boost. The natural sweetness from the berries will help curb your cravings without spiking your blood sugar levels. Chromium-rich foods such as broccoli, grapes, potatoes, and lean meats can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Staying hydrated is another key factor. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help reduce sugar cravings. Try infusing your water with slices of cucumber, lemon, or mint for a refreshing twist. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. It helps improve insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to use glucose more effectively and preventing spikes in blood sugar. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, nuts and seeds such as almonds and pumpkin seeds, whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, legumes such as black beans and lentils, and fatty fish like mackerel and salmon. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in your gut microbiome. They play a significant role in regulating sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation, which can help control blood sugar spikes. Consuming probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso can support your gut health and contribute to better blood sugar management. A vitamin B supplement could be a good idea to add to your daily routine. Thiamine, B1, biotin, B7, and cobalamin, B12, are crucial for glucose metabolism. If you're deficient in these vitamins, your body might struggle to break down glucose efficiently for energy, potentially causing increased cravings for sugar and simple carbohydrates. Apple cider vinegar can also be beneficial. Taking a small amount before meals can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Mindful eating is essential. Pay attention to what and when you eat and avoid eating out of boredom or stress. When you crave something sweet, take a moment to pause and ask yourself if you're truly hungry. Getting enough sleep is also important, as lack of sleep can increase cravings for sugary foods as your body seeks quick energy. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to help regulate your hunger hormones and reduce cravings. Regular exercise can help reduce cravings and improve your mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's walking, cycling, dancing, or yoga, to make it easier to stick with. If quitting sugar cold turkey feels overwhelming, start by gradually reducing your intake. Cut down on sugary snacks and drinks, then slowly phase out other sources of added sugar from your diet. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who understand your goals. Share your journey with them and seek encouragement when needed. Consider joining a support group or online community for added motivation and accountability. Remember, breaking a sugar addiction is a gradual process, and it's okay to have setbacks. Celebrate your progress and keep moving forward. Start today. Your brain and body will thank you for making these positive changes.